Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 2016 maximum difference between increasing elements. It says give a zero index integer array nums of size n. Find the maximum difference between nums I and nums j, i.e. nums j minus nums I, such that 0 is less than I, less than j, less than n, and nums I is less than nums j. Return the maximum difference. Okay, that's all very confusing. So let's look at the examples. So we got array nums. What we need to do is we need to check any two numbers where the first number is less than the second. Subtract the first from the second, and whatever the maximum value is, or if there's multiple of those, we return the maximum of that, right? So here, the only situation where that happens is 1 and 5, or no, it's not the only situation. Right, so it happens twice here. 1 and 5, if you subtract 5 minus 1, you get 4, right? And we also have 4 and 1 and 4. If you subtract 4 minus 1, you get 3. So in this case, we return 4, right? If there is no situation where that occurs, you return -1. That's all there is to it. Let's grab this one. And let's move over to CodePen. Let's create our function. We'll call it func. We're going to say, well, we're going to create a variable called result. And we're going to set that to -1. And then we're going to do a nested for loop. If I is less than nums dot length, and we only need to go up to -1. We plus, and then we say for let's j equal I plus 1. J is less than nums dot length j plus. Now we just need an if check. And we say if nums at j minus nums at I is greater than result, and if nums at j is greater than nums at I, we assign result to nums j minus nums at I. And we forgot to log into the console. And then we need to return result. We're getting -1, which is not what we expected. We expected to get 9. Why is that? J minus nums at I is greater than result, and nums at j, oh, this needs to be greater than. Cool. All right, let's grab all our code, and let's go over to Leetcode and submit. There you go. Alright, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.